This video is brought to you by ExpressVPN. Click on the link given down below in the description and get 3 months free. Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Android.com. Over the past few months, wireless earbuds have been really popular and a lot of people have been going out to pick these up, especially considering that most of our devices now don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. But out of that, one of the most unique ones that a lot of people want to go ahead and pick up are Apple AirPods. They are actually one of the best-selling Apple items out there right now, and AirPods have become a bigger brand than Beats, which Apple purchased, right? So how did this happen? What's the secret behind AirPods? Why are the AirPods so popular, and why is it better for a person using an iPhone to just go ahead and pick up AirPods? That's what I'm going to be talking to you guys today in this video. In case you guys haven't checked out my full review of the AirPods Pro, that is already available in my channel, which I made some time ago. I'll have a link for that down below in the description if you want to know the details of especially the AirPods Pro. But in this video, let's talk about the success formula of the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. When talking about the success of the AirPods, one thing stands out, and that is continuity and connectivity with Apple devices. That is the key thing that a lot of people really enjoy when it comes to AirPods. If you have an iPhone or any of the iOS devices, if you have AirPods, you just open up the case, the device connects, it's right there, you can see the battery, you can control your device, you can get access to Siri really fast, and it just works, right? That's the beauty of AirPods and iOS, it's all working together. However, that is not the case when it comes to the Mac as of right now, but hopefully that too will change very soon. I'm hoping so that the continuity will be the same across all of the devices, whether you're using a Mac, iPhone, iPad, or whatever device, even the Apple Watch. So you can easily connect your AirPods to any of these devices without going through the hassle of going through menus, finding out finding out the device and then connecting it, checking the battery life manually, or guessing all of this. Now all of that is baked into the OS itself, and that makes it extremely convenient for the users to just use these. And I mean, Apple has baked in even the remote finding for these if you lose these, so those features are really nice to have. But I think when it comes to the purchase decision, what a lot of people really love about AirPods is the convenience. You take out the phone, you wear AirPods, and the music just starts and it just works. And let's not forget, the AirPods Pro also has great noise cancellation built in, so that's also another pro. Even though it doesn't sound the best out of all the headphones that I've personally tried, it just works, and I think that's the secret formula behind the AirPods being so popular. So I'm just curious to know what earphones you guys are using, whether you're using wireless ones or wired ones. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know if by any chance you're using AirPods even with another device like an Android device or a Windows computer, because I've seen a few people doing that also, because now the AirPods have turned into a fashion statement as well. So that's that. So just want to see what you guys think about this. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know. And like I mentioned before, my full review of the Apple AirPods Pro is available here in the channel. The link for that is down below in the description, where I go over everything about the AirPods Pro and whether or not you should pick that up. Yes, there are a couple of options that you can go for, but if you own an iOS device, if you own an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or any of those devices, definitely I think you should strongly consider the AirPods, especially considering all the discounts that we are getting right now. But if you're not in a hurry, I would say just hold off a little bit. I'll tell you a little secret. The new AirPods are in the works and they're gonna launch very, very soon, according to a little birdie. So stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, that's about it for AirPods. If you're not subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button. Follow me on social media for behind the scenes and updates. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.